Okay, I just got done with my makeup. My sister finally woke up at 6. We are running super late. I have to wear my outfit, but I was like, no, let me first make a TikTok. No one even has TikTok here, but I'm so fucking obsessed with TikTok. What I did from literally like 3 a.m. From that time to like 5:30, guess what I did? I was literally down this rabbit hole trying to figure out the drama between Alex Earl and Xandra, and then I was down the rabbit hole trying to figure out if Madeline and Central C are still together. Yeah, he cheats on her, but he gets her like, Van Cleef and like a car, diamonds, and blah blah blah, more things that we don't even know about. No kids, you should not stay with someone who isn't loyal to you. I am not a travel vlogger. I don't know how to fucking like vlog like a travel vlogger. I don't know how like, you know, those travel vlog people do it. All I think about is what TikToks I have to make next. I post Snapchat and I do this. But this time I promise मैं थोड़ा scenery भी दिखाऊंगी because पिछली बार क्या हुआ था मैंने कुछ दिखाया नहीं था मैं खुद पे ही focus रखती हूँ. Like the thing is, my favorite thing about the world is me. Like Kartik Aaryan is in London right now. I swear to God, if I run into him, but if I do, I will bawl my eyes out. I need to like fucking go on the stalker mode and I need to know exactly where he is. You know, I am such a big stalker that I managed to get Kartik Aaryan's number. Yeah. Did I ever call him? No, I would not. That's like the biggest invasion of privacy. And then he would block me. Am I the only person who thinks that if you call these celebs, they can like get you famous? God. Please go to Kartik Aaryan's vlog. All I want to do is meet Kartik Aaryan. That's my sister's Million Dalam. And she's walking around the house running naked. You're not getting that. Sorry. Yeah, here's Troy. Troy, I miss you so much. Put his building ko aise consider karna as if we are the only people who live here. Let's go. This is not my outfit. Because I had to carry it. I was like, अभी मैं उतना carry नहीं करी क्योंकि already इतना भारी है. जब पूरा check-in हो जाएगा, immigration सब हो जाएगा, फिर मैं जाके change करूँगी into my hobo attire. Show your face. Bye bye. 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 Bye Betu. Bye my butchi. I will miss you so much. You are my baby, my angel, my everything, my so cute. बोल रहा है कहाँ है fun? Where is the fun? Where is the fun? Where is the fun? My Betu कितनी प्यारी कैसी प्यारी गुड़िया हमारी को बहुत अच्छा लगता है सन. क्या कहना चाहोगी डॉल ट्रिप के बारे में? यही कि I'm so excited.
That I'm yawning. No, I'm yawning.
And the TikTok shoot करने का सब करने का डॉल के कारण cancel हो गया because she forgot the G7X camera and now we are just in panic and yeah मेरे को तो panic नहीं है honestly उसको panic है मेरे को क्या है मैं उससे अब content ही नहीं बनाती. I click pictures for Snapchat on that and memories. I'm a core iPhone girl. Please भगवान जी नहीं है इसके अंदर. 10 बजे हमारा बोर्डिंग होगा. स्वेर अगर मेरी बहन के कारण ही ना फ्लाइट मिस हुई मैंने उसको मार देना है. और तो for the camera then we're gonna go in. और depressing है ये. We should buy cars मेरे को ना. The way I was like I'm gonna should do shopping. We are at King Kai. Our flight का boarding है 10 बजे से but हम पहले ये कर रहे हैं. The girls are like we can make memories and the memories are these.
Repping Kylie Cosmetics. At Kylie Cosmetics.
Already we have made a first purchase and we have not even left India.
I'm so glad.
We have decided to shop for a certain amount and then we will get this cap. We are getting this and this. What did you buy?
Lip butter.
Lip butter. Yeah, that's
Perfect.
अभी हम लोग को विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट जाने का मन हो रहा है. हमारी फ्लाइट लिटरली 10 मिनट में है और हम लोग फूड खाने जा रहे हैं पहले. We are the worst. Dear older sister, you are not supposed to remove money. And when you're with your boyfriend, you are not supposed to remove money.
Period.
डॉल ने अभी एक न्यू बॉयफ्रेंड्स बनाए हैं जो हमको राइड देने वाले हैं. And they're like, no, ma'am, we'll wait for you. You guys go eat. And I'm like, okay, thank you.
No.
And she made the Kylie Cosmetics guy also.
What will you?
Large fries.
Large fries.
People are so rude. They made her coffee wrong. And I love McDonald's, but here the staff is very rude. I mean, we are paying for it. It's not for free. Like doll of Deep Corstal story लेते हैं roaming in this. On the flight, we got this air hostess again. I told her to help me, and she hated my gut. Like I get it. Like when you see me, you can hate my gut. I look very spoiled. Oh, you get that, you know. And I'm just like, hi, can you help me with that? With my AirPods, my duty-free bags. I'm like, can you please help me? She's like, I also can't pick it up.
So she made her help.
She was like, fuck you. No passenger daddy princess behavior in India. अभी बट हम लोग अबू धाबी जा रहे हैं, लाइक ऐसे घूमने के लिए जा रहे हैं. हमारा लेओवर है 1 घंटे का, फिर हम जा रहे हैं लंदन. You know I love a London boy. We could go band for band. Fuck that bitch, fuck that bitch, fuck that bitch, fuck you bitch, fuck you suck bitch, fuck you bitch, take that. Arrived and she is here at the chocolate section. Look at this, so cute, cute as. London is so amazing. It's my first time where I'm not missing anything. Like India halka sa bhi. मुझे इतना amazing लगा. Won't believe the amount of boys who have flirted with us here. And I swear to God, I know people might think we are lying, but I swear on my dog, we are not. It's insane. I like this place. इतना hell bent थे कि नहीं करेंगे, पैसे बचाएंगे. I told this batch, I was like, हो ही नहीं पाएगा. पता है 8 बजे डॉल टाइम दिखा. It's literally 8. I swear it's okay. Train today.
With bus you'll stay in traffic. Train is better. This is the place we are staying in. We have booked this Airbnb for ourselves. Let me close it because yeah, there are like thieves, everything, left, right, center. The Instagram reel has made me scared. Yeah. You walk. There's doll there's couch. And this is our room. This fridge. This is just for one night. We're not staying here. Or there are these stairs which we haven't gone up yet. This is our luggage. This is a room. And this is it. It's nice. It's fun. Cute. Love it. Look at these cute little cottagey English windows. Only 9 p.m. I'm not even kidding. I feel like I'm in Alaska right now. Alaska भी होता है ना सबसे ज़्यादा ये सब. या हमारा डिनर देखो. आज देखो हम लोग प्रिपेयर्ड आते हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज हमको पता होता है हम लेट आएंगे, क्या आएंगे. सो वी नीड फूड. सो हल्दीराम फॉर द विन. फिर हम जाएंगे, डॉल थोड़ा जल्दी करेगी तो फिर टेस्को. बहुत अच्छा हॉटी जो यहाँ रहता है उससे हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ. सभी हॉटीज हैं. एक तो वो आया वो इतनी स्वीटली बात कर रहा है, मैं हम दोनों इतनी बकवास दिख रहे हैं. लाइक वी लुक सो हिडियस. और मैं ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ कि मुझे मत देखो प्लीज. आज नहीं, अभी मैं बहुत थक के आई हूँ, ठीक है. और ये अच्छा यहाँ पे पता है ब्राइट है, अच्छे थोड़े नॉर्मल लोग हैं. कंट्री साइड तो नहीं है ये, बट एयरपोर्ट साइड.
Guys, so this को पागल समझ रहे हैं literally. Everyone is thinking.
We saw our first double decker. Hope it goes. इसमें आएंगे अगर अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम देखो करना है ना ट्रैवल तो इससे करेंगे. वो ऐसे इसी वाइब्स में स्टील करते हैं. अपना फोन टाइट अपने पास रखो, कैमरा को हाँ एकदम. I am so scared for my literal life using phones here. Yeah. But it won't stop me. ये डॉल को कोई किडनैप करके लेके चला गया. इतनी तो होट पैरी हो गई. होट पारी. She just said होट पारी. KFC. You said it. I didn't. Wow. Starbucks walking distance है. हम कल शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं यहाँ से. So, but yeah. Starbucks दिख रहा है हम लोगों को. ये रहा मेरा Starbucks. Cause I knew you. Yeah, I'm soaking wet. I hate this. There's David Beckham on the chips. हम Indians, हम लंदन आके Indian food ही खाएंगे. We will walk. We will have to go. It's 10. We have to go. From the lane it is in, we should leave Ashish because the lane it is in is already pretty sketchy. How do London people do it? The rain, the cold. सब यहाँ बिना छाते के आराम से घूम रहे हैं. Everyone is so used to the fact of like it's very normal. Like TikTok people, yeah, it's like they are normal with the fact.
They are actually because they're like it's a normal thing. Na?
But it rained for literally 10 minutes and then it stopped. But it changes the weather. And like, I literally cry thinking about how like when I सच में believe ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं लंदन में हूँ. It's such a like pinch me moment. And besties. You know what happened today morning? Won't believe what happened today. I'm literally sitting on the grass because I just can't. Everyone is always telling me touch grass. Here I am, touching grass. Do I still feel like the bitch I am? Yeah. Yeah, I hope it doesn't rain. I'll cry literally. My phone, makeup, everything's there. June 5th. Okay, it's 10:30 here. You guys remember I posted in my story that I'll be going to the Eras tour in Australia, the Clogmac. I don't know if you all remember that, but I posted that. Okay, so I don't know how to tell you guys this, but because of like how many people will think how stupid I am for like literally doing this. But what happened was that I got scammed, and I'm not even kidding, I got scammed. Okay, so I bought these tickets from this like reseller guy who like DM'd me like this guy, and this is why you should be careful. Like this was like a big lesson in my life. I cried for like 2 days straight, and I didn't want to tell anyone because like no one would get this, like that, you know, people will be like, oh, she's so this. It was like a huge hit for me, like, but seeing Taylor Swift is like literally my dream. So yeah, I was just crying. My parents scolded the fuck out of me. They were like, how could you be so irresponsible? And you know, even though it was like my own money like that I made, it was just like, you know, you cannot be so stupid with like money at times, because like losing 80k at the end of the day is a big amount, and yeah, you cannot like gamble it away. So that's why I was like, you know what, so I just did my research, everything. Every time I was like asking on Snapchat, does Vivid Seats work, does like all these resale websites work? So one of this guy called Siddharth, I know him, he lives in US. He told me that Vivid Seat worked for him. So I was like, you know, I don't want to get scammed. I've already been scammed, and I literally don't want to tell the internet, because like obviously people will judge me. Not everyone knows, but like Taylor Swift, why I literally cry like thinking about it is because Taylor Swift is like literally, she saved my life. Like there have been times like, you know, when my ex-husband like tried to like frame me for this legal battle, everything. She is literally a person who has written lines about each and every emotion of mine. So she's just someone who has her emotion written for everything that I feel. But today, so I booked these tickets from Vivid Seats for a lot more money. I paid more than the VIP price, but they said that, you know, it was like 6 months earlier. I booked the tickets in what, I think like September. I booked the tickets in September 2023. It said the tickets will be transferred to me by June 5th of 2024, because the concert is on June 7th. And I was like just so scared, because I was reading all these like TikToks, everything, and they were like, it's a scam, this, that. Today, I got a mail this morning that I got my ticket. So yeah, I got my tickets on AXS. I genuinely cannot believe that I'm going to see. I promise myself I won't cry. I just love Taylor so much. I just love her so much. Y'all know how much I love her. I literally talk about her every single day of my life. Anyway, I'm going to see Mother. Punch me, just punch me. I love you guys so much, and I'm not even getting everything I have today is because of you guys. I love you all so much. And yeah, to the fucking person who scammed me, I went to the cop and they were like, you know, this is literally a fucking trick that they do to like, and so yeah, the scam, like that was just too much. I hope y'all don't judge me for that, but yeah, I'm just so grateful to God, like everything that I got it. And today I'm here in London. I cannot believe it. I used to dream of coming to London, and here I am in London. It is literally a like pinch moment. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. It's so windy. I'm filming my TikTok, so I'm waiting for the sun to come. TikTok gives me so much Alex Earl energy. I love it. Look at my stand. I'll spend all the money in the world, but will never ever buy a tripod. And that is what girlhood is. Okay, we're almost done with the glam. This literally does not feel, it literally looks like I've been green skinned, and the people who live here are so lucky. Y'all should know that. Kash मैं यहाँ रह सकती. पता क्या है ना, मेरे यहाँ रहने की, I cannot afford living here, and that's the tea. Would I love to live here? I would. But can I live here? No. Why? Because London is fucking expensive. We are going from here, which is from like Heathrow near the airport, to like our hotel, and it's costing us £40 in Uber. And no, I'm not gonna fucking take the tube with my 40 kg bags. Okay, how do you expect a girl to handle all that? Yeah, I don't have a boyfriend. How am I supposed to do that? People who live in London are wealthy as fuck. Like imagine being an Apple baby and like being born in London. Fuck you. So मेरा गला खराब हो गया है because ना यहाँ पे अब हवा बहुत सारी साफ है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही साफ है. It's not suiting me. I need the pollution. For the first time, only thing I'm missing is my puppy. That's all. Only I'm missing Troy, nothing else. There is this ऊपर वाले इसमें Airbnb का जो owner है with a cute and you know this guy who lives upstairs, like he came to India once and I was like, yeah, he asked us where are we from and I was like, India, and he was like, yeah, I've been there once. I was like, where did you go? And he was like, Delhi. And then he didn't want to say anything bad. He didn't say anything, so I was like, it must have been interesting. He was like, yeah, that's the word. It's okay, we don't judge. That's not the place you should visit when you come to India, right? वो जो अंकल्स होते हैं ना जो अकेले बाहर पोर्च पे बैठे रहते हैं बातें करते हैं, आई एम गिविंग दैट. मेरे को एक चाय का कप दे दो बस एकदम. वो तो चलो उनमें तो एटलीस्ट डिसेंसी की चेयर पे बैठते हैं, मैं तो यहाँ बेच रहा हूँ जैसे ग्रास पे बैठी हुई हूँ. London weather is like quite literally like my luck. It's so fucking unpredictable, you know. It's sunny right now. You never know, it will start raining in the next moment. Yesterday I caught a cold and everyone here was without umbrellas. And I was like, we get it, y'all are cool. We get it, like y'all are like English. Now I'm all ready. Let's do an ass track to see. It sounds so vulgar when I say ass track, but no, we're not checking out my ass. We're just checking if it's like wet because of the grass or not. Let's go. My feet are mani-pedi and the sunlight is so good. I can like make millions of dollars out of selling feet. Picture time. I bought a house. I bought this house for $1 million in London. And now I'm going to convert it into an Airbnb so I can make money. It's not as big as it looks for like $1 million, but yeah. Sorry, यहाँ पे dollars नहीं, यहाँ पे pounds होते. £1 million. Oh my god, I can't even imagine how much money that is. I'm obsessed with London. I can never imagine lying on the grass in Bombay. I'm probably sure ants are going to bite me after this. They're going to get into my hair and ruin my hair. So I'm going to regret this, but yeah. I just stripped and like, yeah, it was freezing. And I stripped. Like not stripped, like...
No, literally my hands are cold.
Yeah, same. Literally cold.
They're so cold that we both can't feel each other's hands.
Yeah.
Because we're from Bombay.
But we don't know how to cross and we have been jaywalking the entire trip. Like we do not know how to fucking cross here.
People stop over here and we are not used to people like cars stopping for people. Like we're like, okay, let the car go, let the car.
Then I heard the accent. They say home is where the home is. Are of course at Starbucks. You know I love these Mercedes Sprinters, but one Sprinter, 100 meters. So cute. Close it out. This is the drink. I need to have this every day. The milk here is different. The milk here is so good. The milk is so creamy. Actually, the milk is making it taste even better. Australia didn't have such a good milk. I used to drink there. Milk here in the UK is better. लंदन कोई बॉयफ्रेंड मिले मुझे. आशी को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हर चीज. यहाँ का वातावरण is just
it. And we've not even gone to
the main city yet. We are in Heathrow. Like whatever this place is. Don't come at me, I'm a tourist. Now we are on our way to Notting Hill. I'm Hugh Grant. I was literally just about to say that. Doll is vlogging. Or Doll is trying. Let's see what comes out of it. Suddenly. I just found out I was so inactive on Snapchat because of like 2 days with traveling and everything. I didn't get to see that my king that I love, who I started YouTube because of him and Logan Paul, is in India and I am not.
And Alicia
Also, but like Alicia, India आएगी. I don't think so anytime soon. Eva आ चुकी है. Aspen ये सब आ चुका है. Alicia नहीं आई है इंडिया. और Alicia आएगी तो I think वो थोड़े जयपुर टाइप की लोकेशन जाएगी, थोड़े like सुंदरता वाले. हाँ. David को इंडिया I'm sure like इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा because he's come to Bombay. इंडिया हम लोग को अच्छा लगता है जो लोग like थोड़ा जयपुर ये सब साइड जाते हैं like Dua Lipa, जो थोड़ा सीनरी देखते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. This one is उसी की गाड़ी में बैठ के बुराई करती है. अच्छा उसको हिंदी नहीं आती. चुप रह, मेरी मर्जी.
Let's start promoting, like bringing digital marketing more on Snapchat because I believe that there has been so much growth and such natural growth from audience of.
This is the new room tour. This is the bed. This is the beautiful view, which looks literally gorgeous. This is my sister. This is the closet area. This is the mirror. This is me. This is the cute little bathroom. It's in Notting Hill. Now all we need is Hugh Grant, and yeah, it's done. We need our own Hugh Grant. Yeah. Dollars here looking. Look at this view. This is not real. This is insane.
Oh my god, bro! It literally looks so
This
cute.
is insane. This is not real life.
The view from the room is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. Okay, now we're headed to Bicester Village. This is our OOTD. Here are my Miu Miu dupes. I'm going to Miu Miu wearing the Zara dupes of theirs. The French coat is from Lioness Official. Top is dolls. I don't know where it's from. Jeans are Radhika's. Yeah. Only one thing is mine today. And the bag is mine, which I got from a street. Who thought?
I usually don't feel so stressed.
अभी हम लोग बिस्तर जा रहे हैं. मैं हिंदी में बात करने वाली हूँ because मुझे चाहिए. लोग मुझे समझे नहीं. I'm dressed like a mob wife today and I love it. Like not mob wife, obviously it's like a full whole outfit. Kind of feel like King Kai in this. My high Bottega energy. All has worn a full maxi dress. And it's underneath the trench. Really into those maxi dresses. And yeah, अभी इतना पता ही चलना पड़ा है तो इतना कार्डियो हुआ है भगवान. इतना रश में भागते जाए अभी मेरे को बस वहाँ जाके पता चलेगा मैं कितनी broke हूँ. The entire place is really broke in 101 ways. और हम लोग पता है I think I saw the influencer that I follow, Lydia. I've seen her on Instagram. But yeah, I complimented her wildflower case. It's like, yeah, thank you. It's like, I wasn't sure that it was her. So we're about to miss this train also. We got on. We missed one train. But we got on. मैं ऑक्सफोर्ड जा रही हूँ पढ़ने. मेरे से मत बात करो. I'm a fucking Oxford student darling. The immigration guy that I was a student. This one, I didn't tell her. And I was just standing there like nothing. And then he was like, student, what do you study? He was like asking me, and because he knew that I'm not a fucking student, like he knew it. He saw me and he was like, They have not studied.
The next station is Islip.
Walking to Bicester at the moment. So pretty, so beautiful. It's like generally insane. Yeah, I'm so excited to shop. Shop till you drop, bitches. Yeah, you're in London, okay? You need to shop. It's the beast or whatever the fuck it's pronounced. Okay, I'm not English. Don't come at me.
Oh my god, the baby section is so cute. And oh my god, we see the bag section. Wow, this is so cute. I love this.
I entered one store. It's Givenchy. And I already bought one thing. And I was like, I'm not going to shop anything. I'm not going to shop anything. And I buy it. That's like Nicore. First store you go to, and I bought the cutest heels. Like, going to also shop. Nice. Please. Our situation is going on full on. And the audacity to call me a ho-ho when you're just like this.
Okay.
मत कर पता चला स्लिप हो गया यहाँ पे. Two types of girls literally. आज सुबह तूने फिट चेक नहीं लिया क्योंकि वो मेड आ गई. अभी फिट चेक लेना मेरे साथ. So adorable. Oh my god, I'm in love. ये बॉम्बे का बहुत वाहियात रेस्टोरेंट है. But यहाँ पे इंश्योर अच्छा होगा. Yeah, this is my literal like favorite bag of all time. Favorite bag. The favorite bag. Like अगर show you एक बार में यही वाला. Yeah. Just kill me already. Yeah, I think there's some shit up with their milk. This is my second time fucking taking it. Yeah, I'm a best of all. I'm fucking winning. Y'all are my best friends. Y'all are supposed to know every side of me. No, just kidding. And don't fucking come at me, okay? As if y'all don't do. Her first luxury on her own. First luxury. Look at these beautiful flower bags. They're so fucking pretty. I feel so Hailey Bieber in these. Like, love it. ये डॉल अपनी feet बेच रही है. Feet pics. ये reason why she's able to afford this, है ना? Prada खरीद रही हूँ. मेरी तरह girl boss बनी नहीं है तुम्हारी. Foot pics बनी है.
कोई बात नहीं चलेगा मुझे.
कितनी शॉपिंग है डॉल में सब दिला रही है ये दिला रही है ये दिला रही है क्योंकि शी इज मेकिंग millions of dollars now. Yeah.
Get on it, girls. Get on it.
Please give me someone to buy me these. They're so nice. They're so expensive. I can't. I'll cry. They're so expensive, but I want them. They're so nice. Okay. ये देखो मेरे और ये कितने प्यारे हैं. Is literally what dreams are made of. Wow. If only could I afford this. Of course I love the bag, but the thing is I'm broke and I can't buy it. Doll's like, don't think you're broke, you'll be broke. And I'm like, that's the fucking worst logic I've ever heard.
What do you say?
Acha, you said that we will get the entire trip on collab. Did you get it? No. We got
I did not believe in it completely.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. This is London, baby. Where's the Vista Village security?
Yeah, just to the end. It's
Okay,
right.
okay. Turn. It's straight, then turn right. I lost my phone. I lost my fucking phone at Prada. Now I'm rushing back to get my other phone. The one that has all my vlog footage, everything. I lost my phone. How can I fucking lose my phone? I don't get it. Yeah, the one person who cannot live without her phone fucking lost her phone. Yeah, now I'm just running to the security to get my phone back. It's a fun phone with everything, my Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube content, everything. Road, everything. How could I do this? The Prada lady was so sweet. मैंने इतना सा चिल्ला रही ऐसे panic हो गई. She's like, yeah, don't worry, to the security. I was like, thank you. We are back. Now we are officially in London. We lost our phone.
And found
हो
it.
गया. Yeah, and no, in London. Yeah, now we lost our phone. That's the good part. We lost our phone. Now we are officially in London. Slay. But obviously मिल गया because हम Vista Village में. अगर कोई और जगह होता तो मैं मर गई होती. मतलब सच में मर गई होती. I would have killed myself. The death grip I have on my phone, I don't know how could I lose it. Rebel behavior is coming to Dior and clicking selfies with Prada and Givenchy. And also this is like my type of vibe of brand. I like how अभी हम दोनों ने Zara और तूने Manisha को करना and we have got Givenchy. Let's do it. Okay, let's taste test L'Adore. Very bad.
The fuck?
It's clapped.
You would expect it to be like really
It's
good.
very bad.
Considering
The
that it's
start.
French.
I'm not even kidding. It's bad. It's just overhyped. Waste of 400 pounds. No, sorry, 400. nahi. Sorry, 4 pounds. It's waste of 4 pounds. It's bad. Consistency of hot chocolate is not there. For 4 pounds, you would expect something. It's not there. Tassis, I'm not even kidding. This guy just came and he gave us this teddy bear. I swear on Troy, this like we didn't know we were pretty until we came here. I love England.
I love London.
Want
Home is where here is.
Home is where here is. I'm not even kidding. A guy gave me this. A guy gave us this. Like, and he was like, you guys can fight over it. We didn't know we looked good until we came here. I love this. From the airport till here. So many guys have floated with us. We are at Taylor Swift's favorite bar, Night Black Dog. I'm lying.